Whole house water softeners and descalers address scale, mineral buildup, and taste/odor from incoming water. They protect plumbing, appliances, and improve daily water experience across showers, laundry, and kitchens. This review analyzes 5 models across a range of approaches, from salt-free filtration and descalers to true salt-free softening and electronic descalers, covering accessibility.
List number 1. NU Aqua 4-stage salt-free water softener whole house water filter system with total filtration includes sediment. This high-end salt-free system emphasizes total filtration as a point-of-entry solution, integrating sediment prefiltration and carbon-based stages to reduce chlorine, VOCs, odors, and heavy metals before water reaches any tap. It is salt-free, requiring no backwashing, electricity, or brine discharge, which translates to lower ongoing maintenance and a smaller environmental footprint. The unit is relatively large, 31 inches long times 31 inches wide and about 7 inches high, and designed for whole home coverage, with a stated maximum TDS handling of 300 ppm and a 0.0 to 15 GPM potential, depending on configuration and water chemistry. Its multi-stage approach suggests strong performance in water with significant odors, taste issues, and metal contaminants, while preserving essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. In practice, NU Aqua's system prioritizes chemistry-preserving softening by using scale prevention media rather than ion exchange. This makes it well-suited for households that want to reduce scale without adding salt or producing wastewater. However, users should manage expectations around genuine hardness reduction. While scale typically declines and plumbing protection improves, softened water in a traditional sense may not be achieved. Installation is point of entry, and the included filtration stages imply ongoing cartridge changes every several months depending on feed water quality. The exact cost of filters and replacement intervals will impact total cost of ownership. Prospective buyers should verify compatibility with their water chemistry and flushing needs for heavy metal concerns, as KDF GAC has performance trade-offs with high iron or specific contaminants.
List number 2. Water Boss Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System works with city water. Water Boss offers a compact descaling solution that claims salt-free, chemical-free scale control without reducing hardness or TDS. It is designed for moderate hardness, under 10 to 15 GPG, with specific limits on alkalinity, pH, and iron. The 7 GPM maximum flow rate supports typical 4-person households without noticeable pressure drop. The WB-WH-DSCLR is installation-friendly and power-free, relying on descaling technology to prevent deposit formation rather than altering mineral content. It targets longevity of plumbing and appliances through scale prevention rather than filtration of taste or odor, making it a straightforward option for homes where water softness with minerals is acceptable. Its user experience centers on simplicity and continuous low-maintenance operation. Because it does not soften water or remove minerals, some users may notice that certain scale issues persist in appliances with extreme mineral content. It is best suited for households with modest hardness, where the primary concern is buildup rather than taste or disinfectant removal. Its no-maintenance claim is attractive, but performance depends heavily on actual inlet water chemistry. Households with higher iron or sulfur may still observe staining or deposits. Prospective buyers should test their water hardness and alkalinity to confirm compatibility.
List number 3. Salt-free water softener systems. This DYSDFQ model markets itself as a compact, under or countertop installation with 3/4-inch FNPT hookups and a notable 15 GPM maximum flow, designed for multi-bath homes. It emphasizes salt-free softening to protect appliances and skin, while claiming a 0.5 micron filtration stage to reduce particulates and improve taste. The package includes filter housings, cartridges, and connectors, suggesting a plug-and-play ethos for DIY installers. The emphasis on chlorine reduction and high flow makes it attractive for households seeking thorough softening and filtration with relatively straightforward maintenance. In use, the unit promises significant scale prevention across plumbing and fixtures, with emphasis on preserving beneficial minerals. The 0.5 micron stage implies improved particulates removal, but consumers should confirm the real-world filtration capacity versus municipal water quality and iron content. The included components and connectors reduce compatibility risk, but the system's performance will hinge on cartridge maintenance every 4 to 6 months and the integrity of the O-rings for leak-free operation. Best for homes requiring robust flow and a combined softening and filtration approach without core.
List number 4. iSpring EDV2 Whole House Super Water Descaler. iSpring's EDV2 is a high-power electronic descaler employing an alloy body and a robust battery delivering up to 12 watts. It touts significantly higher power than basic descalers, aiming to reduce scale across plumbing without altering water chemistry. With a 9.84 inches by 6.85 inches by 3.15 inches footprint, it's compact enough for discrete installation and supports up to 500 ppm TDS. The EDV2 claims a rapid payoff in about a year through energy savings and reduced scale, appealing to eco-conscious consumers and those seeking longer appliance life. The warranty is a 1-year limited guarantee with lifetime support upon registration, which can contribute to total value. User experience centers on a maintenance-free, non-chemical approach to scale control, with installation marketed as tool-free or minimal modification. The device is designed for compatibility with various pipe types, including PEX and PVC, and emphasizes preserved water chemistry. In practice, users should monitor scale reduction timelines, weeks to months, and verify any perceived improvements in energy efficiency and appliance longevity. Prospective buyers should consider their water chemistry profile, as extremely hard or iron-rich water may still require supplementary filtration for aesthetics. Lists number 5. Whole House Water Softener System. Brand, Snuerin. Manufacturer, Snuerin. Overview. Snuerin's budget-friendly descaler uses capacitive electronic pulses to disrupt crystallization and prevent scale, claimed to work across pipes up to 1 inch in diameter. It's a compact, salt-free solution marketed for broad compatibility with homes seeking to avoid chemical treatments and salt. The unit's small form factor and low price point are compelling for renters or budget-conscious buyers who want a basic descaling approach with minimal maintenance. From a performance perspective, the system relies on electronic pulse technology to break down existing scale and prevent future buildup. However, customers should be aware that the device's effectiveness can vary with pipe length, water chemistry, and flow patterns. Installation is straightforward, with no tools required in many cases, but long-term reliability at a low price point may be a consideration, especially relative to more established brands. It provides a compelling short-term value, but verify compatibility with existing plumbing and any guarantees on scale prevention outcomes.